Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's really well today. It's cake time again. How can it not be? It's always a perfect time for cake. Today I'm going to be making a blood orange, there they are, and a carrot and a coconut cake. So all we need is some cake flour with some spices. We need the grated zest of 2 blood oranges and a couple of juiced blood oranges, just about 2 to 3 medium-sized grated carrots. I have some sunflower oil, I have a third of a cup of milk, some maple syrup with vanilla through it. I have a third of a cup of half a cup of brown sugar, and 4 lovely room temperature eggs. So I'm going to mix all these luscious ingredients into one cake, and we'll see the end result with a lovely frosting on it. So sit back and relax, and here we go. I've taken the cake out, and it was really easy to get out because I used parchment paper on all 4 sides and just lifted it out. So there, it took about 60 minutes to bake. If you bake it in 2 smaller rounds, it'll take less time. I've made the icing, and I'm going to include that recipe in the description box below. So I'm just going to slather some on. And it tastes delicious. It's got that lovely tartness of the blood orange. Just smooth it out. Now obviously if you've got 2 cake rounds, you can fill the centre with some of this because there's plenty. I've just made a small amount. Take it down to all the sides. little bit more on this end. And obviously, because the icing contains cream cheese, it's best to refrigerate the cake in a nice cake container that won't allow moisture into it and so forth. So that's basically it. And I have actually caramelized the remainder of the half of the blood orange that was left. So I'm just going to decorate it with a few of these. It's very easy to do. The fragrance of blood orange is just incomparable. I mean, I love the smell of ordinary orange, but blood orange, and these are not to be confused with ruby grapefruits, a totally different thing. A lot of people see them and think that they are ruby grapefruits, but they're not. They're an entirely different species, of course. They're an orange. So there you can see. So I've wasted none of the fruit. It's going to be darker inside than an ordinary carrot cake. There you can see. See that lovely texture? Whoops. Yum yum. So I'll just give it a taste test and make myself a lovely cup of tea. Here we go. That is so delicious. It's got the subtle flavours going through it, carrot, coconut and the blood orange. That lovely delicious topping. Very, very Moorish. Delicious. So I do hope you'll try it. A very easy cake, as you saw how easy it was or how I made it. And thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you real soon next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye bye for now.